everyone! It's Miss Emily here from Union Public Library. Welcome to this week's craft tutorial. This week we are going to make a pipe cleaner and bead snake. For this project you will need one green pipe cleaner. It could be another color too, but we've included green pipe cleaners in each kit. You'll also need a small piece of a red pipe cleaner, which will serve as the snake's tongue, a cup of beads, some glue dots, and some googly eyes. And there are enough materials in your kit to make two snakes. So let me show you how to make this stupendous snake. Alrighty, let's begin by making the snake's head. So we're going to take one end of the green pipe cleaner, wrap it around our fingers to make a loop like this, and you want to try to make the loop as tight as possible. If you can, try to avoid any space in the middle of the oval, that loop, but if there is a little bit of space, it's not the end of the world. And once you have that, just fasten it by twisting it like that, and voila, this is going to be the snake's head. So now we're going to decorate the snake by adding some perler beads, and you have the option of adding the beads in any random order, or if you prefer to make a pattern, you can do that. I'm just gonna add a bunch of beads. No rhyme or reason what colors I'm using. Just want to make a nice colorful snake. And continue adding the beads until you've covered most of the pipe cleaner. So as you can see, I have threaded most of my beads onto the pipe cleaner. Just going to add a few more. And this is a wonderful activity to strengthen all of the muscles in your fingers and hands. Great for fine motor skills. Alrighty, I think that's good. So once you've added all of the beads you want, you are welcome to make the snake nice and twisty and bendy if you'd like. Something like that, however you want. And all we still need to do is make the snake's face. So we'll start with the tongue. You remember there's a little opening in that oval we made for the snake's head earlier. So we'll take that piece of red pipe cleaner, thread it through, and then bend it and twist it. So that is the snake's tongue. And we're just gonna finish up the project by giving our snake some eyes. So you'll notice that you have a piece of parchment paper with some glue dots on it. So peel off the glue dots. Like that. And you may need just one glue dot to fasten both of the googly eyes. You may need two. So again, you have 4 in your kit, so use as many as you need. I think I am gonna be able to get away with only using one. So I have one googly eye, and then the other, and voila. There is my pipe cleaner and bead snake. And again, kind of looks like a Muppet actually. And again, you have enough materials in your kit to make 2 of these. So feel free to make your snake a friend, and you could use this, you can even use this as a bookmark if you'd like, or a nice little decoration in your room, whatever floats your boat. And we encourage you to send us a photo of your completed project. Email us at kids@upl.org. We'd love to see your completed snake or snakes. And if you do submit a picture of your project, then we'll add it to our virtual art gallery, which you can access by going to upl.org/kids. And when you arrive on the page, you'll see a little arrow that says to the art gallery. Click on that and you'll see everybody's projects. So I hope you enjoy your snakes, and I hope you have a spectacular day. We'll see you again soon. Bye everyone.